Central High School culinary students brought their best cooking skills to spice up MREs in a chop-style competition. U.S. military-grade meals, ready to eat, are self-contained meals that strike it right with nutrition, but not so much with flavor. In the chopped competition, Central's culinary arts students leveraged their creativity, fresh ingredients, and seasonings to make the MREs taste better. Jennifer Hedberg, Central High culinary arts teacher, told us what it means for students.
My students are going to be chopping and slicing and dicing some MREs today, and we're going to make them taste really good, and we're doing this chop challenge, and it's going to be so much fun.
The MREs and judges for the competition were provided by the Army National Guard.
Hey guys, you have less than 2 minutes.
Culinary arts is just one of the many pathways available to students as they use their strengths and interests to make plans that reach far beyond high school graduation. The Central students put their cooking chops to the test and prove that creativity and skill can tackle any challenge.